Question 13, we have a double slit pattern viewed on a screen 1 meter from the slits. So that is capital D, 1 meter. If the third order minimum, so that is telling us that M is equal to 3. Sebab dia mention di situ third order. Kalau dia sebut third dark fringe, third dark, maksudnya M kamu akan equal to 2. Okay, jangan lupa macam tu. So dia ada differences lah. So M is gonna be equal to 3, and this is minimum, so we are using dark fringe punya formula. So they are 0.2 meter apart. If the third order minimum are 0.2 meter apart, that is Y3 equal to 0.2 meter. So we have to determine the ratio of wavelength to separation, that is basically lambda over D lah. Right, so the formula that we are using is Ym equal to M plus half lambda D over D. So we want lambda over small letter d, and this one is just M plus half capital D. Right, so if we were to make this as a subject, this is gonna be Ym over M plus half capital D. So the third order minimum are 0.2 meter apart, so this is 0.2 divided by M is 3 plus half D is 1 meter. Right. So the ratio of wavelength and the slit separation is then equal to 2.86 times 10 negative 2. Since dia tanya pasal ratio and they have the same unit, there is no unit for the final answer. Okay, I'm just double checking. Oh, it's wrong. What did I do wrong? Y3 3. Apa? Salah kalau saya kira guna this thing. Oh, astaga. Okay. Faham. I know what I did wrong. Okay. Kan tadi soalan cakap the question is saying that this is the third order minimum are 0.2 meter apart. So kita ada central bright, kita ada dark, kita ada dark, kita ada bright, kita ada bright, kita ada dark, kita ada dark. Okay, so third order. Sorry, was about to sneeze. That's why I kept silent. Okay, so ini central, ini dark, bright. Betul ka to? Yeah, betul lah. Dark, bright, and then kita ada satu lagi dark. So first or zeroth order. Yeah, panjang pula. Kamu dengar je lah. Okay, bright, dark. Okay, so we have zeroth order. Salah. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, dia cakap tadi the distance between the third order minimum are 0.2 meter apart. So tadi tu kita punya formula yang ini, definition dia is just this. Okay, so it's just this. So this is Ym. Tapi yang 0.2 meter ni dia bagi dari berapa saya perlu tambah ni? Cepat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, yang dia bagi tadi 0.2 meter tu actually measurement dia dari sini sampai sini. Okay. So, this is actually 0.2 meter. Okay. Yang kita mau is just half of this. Sebab tadi ni kita mau bahagi 2. Kenapa mau bahagi 2? Sebab yang satu di atas ni kita just perlukan up until the central punya measurement. So from third minimum ni up till central sahaja. So that's why kita punya Y3 tadi tu kita perlu divide by 2. So it's gonna be 0.2 divided by 2, which is 0.1 meter. Okay. Right, so hopefully kamu tidak bingung lah yang itu. Tapi that is the best I can do to explain. Okay, so dia cakap tadi if the third order minimum are 0.2 meter apart. So ni kan tadi ulang balik lah. So this is first, second, oh terlebih ke tadi? Sorry, 0, 1, first, second, and third. Oh ya, yeah. Sampai di sini je pula. Sekejap ah. So dia sampai sini je. Okay, so ini adalah 0.2 meter. Macam tu lah dia cakap. Okay, so dia cakap, lepas tu saya ulang lagi balik lah. Sebab lepas tu dia punya definition of this is the distance. Alah, tidak buka pula nota. Dia cakap tadi, it's the distance. It is the distance of M dark fringe from central bright fringe. So, dari central bright fringe saja. So, dari sini sampai sini berapa? So, maksudnya kita just perlu bahagi dua lah. Sebab yang di sini dengan yang di sini adalah sama. They are equal. Cuma satu tu dia negatif, satu tu positif. Macam itulah. So, that's why kita bahagi dua. So, barulah kita boleh substitute. Rearrange dulu untuk lambda over D. So, I like to rearrange first just so that I can terus je nampak. So YM ni saya akan tukar Y3 terus. So this is 3 plus half D. So lambda over D ni kita kasih buat macam tu. So lambda over lowercase d will be equal to Y3 3 plus half D. Okay, so from there just have to substitute 0.1. This is 3 plus half. This is 1. So barulah kamu akan dapat sepatutnya jawapan yang betul lah. Let me check if it's correct. You will get 0.028. Yes, so it is 0.0285. 0.0286 lah. 0.0286 is the ratio of the wavelength to the slit separation. Okay, so that is how you solve for question 13. Sorry for the long video, but I'm just trying to emphasize on this distance here lah. Right, so that's all for question 13. No, that's question A. Sorry everybody. Okay, so question B pula kita perlu, I'm just gonna padam ni sebab saya sudah explain tadi. So question B pula, the distance between the first order minimum and the third order maximum on the screen. So how do we do this is, first kita akan tengok dulu. Untuk first order minimum, formula dia is YM M plus half lambda D over D. So untuk first order minimum, M is gonna be equal to 1. Sebab dia sudah tulis order di situ kan. Okay, so that is YM. Y1 lah. So Y1 is 1 plus half lambda D over D. Lepas tu dia cakap dengan third order maximum. So third order maximum formula dia adalah M lambda D over D. So third order maximum sama juga order number. So M dia mesti equal to 3 lah. So Y3 is equal to 3 lambda D over D, lowercase d. So how do we find the distance between these two is, we are gonna basically, let me try to draw it again. So this is central bright. Dia cakap distance between first order minimum. First order minimum. Sorry everybody. Lambat pula. This is bright. This is first order minimum. And then dia cakap sampai third order max. So this is bright again. This is dark. This is bright. Supposedly. Kan? Okay, let me just do it. Let me check. This is central. This is first. Oh no. Kita guna order. First order dark. And then first order bright. This is first order dark. Second order dark. Bright, sorry. Bright. And then this is second order dark. This is third order bright. So diminta tadi third order max, which is bright, and dengan first order minimum, which is duct. So dia minta ni distance between, the separation between this and this one here. So how do we find this distance? Okay, so macam mana kita mau cari, macam mana kita mau cari this distance for this situation? So what we are gonna do is we are gonna use the formula yang tadi itulah, which is we are gonna find the separation by doing delta D equal to Y3, which is the bright fringe, minus dengan Y1, which is the dark fringe. Okay, so di sini 3 lambda D over D minus 1 plus half lambda D over lowercase d. You will get, just factorize out the one yang constant lah. Then kamu just solve for the numbers saja. Which is this. You will then get 3 over 2 here, and then this one kamu just substitute lah, 2.86 times 10 negative 2 yang tadi kita dapat, ataupun no, ini 0.0286, and then this is 1.00. So you will get the separation between the third order max and the first order minimum is 4.29 centimeter. Okay, right, so that's how you solve for question B. So so if you are confused, if you want to draw, panjang lah video kita ni, tapi tak apa. So tadi tu third order max tu dia up till here kan. Okay, so dari sini, and then dia minus dengan first order duct. Dia minus dengan yang di sini. That's why lah kita dapat cari this distance here. Macam itulah. Inilah delta D tu yang kita cari. Okay. So yang ini yang tadi Y3. Yang ini Y1. Alright. So that is the solution for question 13.